What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best ceramic coating for car on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we have got you covered. For more information on the products, I have included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. In our list, the number 5 product name is Adams Polish's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating. Adams Polish's Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating is designed to offer extended care for vehicles. This coating uses a clear nanocrystalline layer to guard against weather changes, chemical exposure, and harmful ultraviolet rays. It blocks moisture, dust, and other particles that typically cling to a vehicle's surface. Built with graphene oxide and ceramic materials, it is crafted to deliver a strong surface with a hardness level of 10H for enhanced longevity. The coating includes a unique application feature known as ceramic glow technology. This addition helps guide users during use to ensure that every section of the surface gets an even coat. The result is a more consistent finish with no spots missed during application. It uses a higher amount of resin and a silicate blend for stronger results and lasting shine. The formula helps achieve a deep, glossy appearance while also resisting scratches and surface stains. Even in daily use or tough outdoor situations, it aims to retain its finish over time. This coating repels water and other liquids with high effectiveness, helping water glide off easily and preventing buildup. It works on a wide variety of surfaces including paint, glass, wheels, trim, and even vinyl wraps. Its design supports use on clear coat, single-stage paint, lacquer finishes, and more. With a weight of 0.13 kilograms, the formula is both light and versatile. It is made in the United States and produced with modern technology intended to meet the expectations of both car enthusiasts and detailing professionals. The company stands by their product and commits to addressing any concerns that may arise with its use. In our list, the number 4 product name is lsavrua Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating for Cars. This advanced graphene ceramic coating by the brand lsavrua is developed using zirconia alumina and ceramic materials. It is made for vehicles including motorcycles, cars, and boats. The formula is designed to resist marks caused by keys, acid deposits from rain, or salt from roads. Built with aerospace nanotechnology, it offers a high level of protection across changing weather patterns like dry desert temperatures and cold winter months. With a capacity of 60 milliliters, this solution aims to give a deep shine while helping reduce swirl marks during cleaning or after exposure to road dust. It helps water slide off surfaces quickly, which supports the surface in staying clean longer. The product is crafted to keep the color bold, making whites brighter and dark shades more defined. This coating can be used on different parts of the vehicle. These include glass, body paint, metal trim, wheel surfaces, and dashboard areas. Its formula forms a hard surface that adds resistance to daily wear and helps maintain a newer appearance for an extended time. Application involves 3 main steps, which include preparing the surface, placing the microfiber over a sponge, applying the coating, and polishing with a towel. After use, it is recommended to allow the coating to settle for 1 full day without contact and wait 7 days before washing. Each package comes with 2 towels made from microfiber, a soft sponge, 6 white microfiber cloths, protective gloves, and an instruction booklet. The full kit is designed to provide enough liquid for 2 complete vehicle coatings. The product structure is tailored to give a glossy result while helping to maintain that shine for over 10 years. Customer questions during the process can be addressed directly to the company. In our list, the number 3 product name is Magic Shield Graphene Coating for Cars. Magic Shield Graphene Coating is a liquid-based solution created to help maintain the look and value of vehicles over time. It is made for use on various surfaces such as glass, plastic, carbon fiber, body paint, wheels, and protective wraps or film. The formula aims to add a smooth finish that improves surface shine while protecting from damage caused by exposure to sunlight, airborne particles, or regular use. With a weight of 0.28 kilograms, this coating spreads evenly and is designed to help reduce swirl marks or surface scratches. It also supports the surface by helping block ultraviolet rays and resisting environmental buildup that can cause water marks. This can help reduce how often a vehicle needs cleaning or detailing. The protective layer made with ceramic and graphene technology works as a barrier that helps keep the original color strong. It also enhances the depth of shades, giving dark tones a richer feel and bright colors more pop. This helps the surface stay looking fresh and sharp. The product is designed to repel moisture so that water slides off more easily, keeping surfaces clear and helping to avoid marks caused by drying. The effect also makes it simpler to maintain that clean and glossy finish over time without repeated treatment. It is crafted for those who care about appearance and seek easy upkeep. The package is suitable for vehicle owners who want a smooth application process and prefer to apply protective coatings without professional help. The full set gives all that is needed to coat the vehicle, saving effort and helping to protect the surface for up to 5 years. It is made for motorcycles, cars, marine craft, and recreational vehicles, supporting both appearance and surface strength. In our list, the number 2 product name is Khplffn Advanced Graphene Ceramic Coating for Cars. Khplffn graphene ceramic coating is developed to support vehicle care by helping maintain the original surface look and strength. This liquid formula comes in black color and offers a capacity of 70 milliliters. It is designed for use after washing and paint correction to assist in keeping the vehicle surface clear and smooth. Built using ceramic materials, the coating forms a layer that shields paintwork from daily driving elements. This product is applied evenly using a cloth, and it begins to dry within a couple of hours. After use, it is important to avoid touching the surface for 1 full day and wait 1 week before exposing it to water. The result is a strong surface that resists small marks, dirt buildup, and environmental contact. This coating creates a surface that water rolls off easily, making it harder for mud and particles to stick. It helps limit the damage caused by sun exposure, gravel, and airborne oils that could settle on the vehicle during road travel. The smooth texture adds to the shine while forming a barrier that remains steady through changing weather. The ceramic formula holds a hardness level of 20H and supports protection that can last more than 10 years under normal use. It is crafted to remain effective through repeated washing without losing its effect quickly. This supports consistent appearance and care over time. It can be applied to a wide variety of parts including the main body, lighting covers, glass panels, and bed covers. This solution helps those who want a reliable method to maintain vehicle surfaces with less need for constant reapplication. Its use in detailing routines may help in preserving both the color and structure of the surface across long periods of ownership. In our list, the number 1 product name is Dronar Graphene Ceramic Coating for Cars. Dronar Graphene Ceramic Coating is made to help preserve the condition of automotive surfaces. This product contains 70 milliliters of fine ceramic material designed for long-term use. Built with advanced components such as graphene, it is developed for those who want to protect vehicle exteriors without needing constant care. The formula combines ceramic with graphene to provide support against harsh weather and road conditions. It can be used on different surfaces including leather, metal, glass, and painted areas. Once applied, the coating works as a barrier that helps prevent damage from exposure to sunlight, oil spots, dirt, and other harmful substances that may collect during travel or storage. It supports the surface by limiting contact with outside elements and can resist early fading or peeling. Graphene in the formula helps the surface maintain a cleaner look by reducing buildup. The smooth result helps water slide off more easily and prevents particles from sticking. It supports a strong shine and high gloss finish that helps paint colors stay clear and rich. This can improve the overall appearance while reducing marks from daily cleaning or regular movement. It is designed to stay in place for over 2 years without wearing away through basic washes or light rain. The coating remains fixed even when the vehicle goes through changing outdoor conditions or rough paths. The durability helps reduce the need for repeated treatment. This product is designed using ceramic grit that allows for an even and gentle application process. It may suit those who take pride in keeping their vehicle in solid shape and want something reliable. It works well across many types of vehicles and surface materials, supporting both performance and appearance for extended time periods.